my channel. Today I'd like to do a video on something that I've been getting a lot of requests for, and that is how I changed my Chanel Jumbo into a handheld as well as over-the-shoulder bag. So if you're interested in how I converted this, stay tuned. But before we get started, let's quickly go over the elephant in the room, which is the white hair. If you've been following me for a while, you know that usually I have black hair, and occasionally you'll see videos of me where I show a little bit of white, and I try to cut that out and stuff, but I have decided to go all gray. I have just decided to not to dye my hair anymore, and I think what I'm gonna do is to vlog or make videos about my journey into just letting my hair go natural. So, but that's another video, and let me get started on how I converted the Chanel Jumbo, okay? Let me show you the inside. Inside looks like this. And these little Velcro straps are going through inside of these metal section. It's not on the outside. I go through the inside between the leather and the chain. And this is just a felt that I always put on so that it doesn't, this zipper doesn't make a mark on the second flap. Strap lengths are, strap length for this, I'm gonna close this first. Strap length for this is 5 inches or about 12 and a half, 13 centimeters. And I like that length because it does not touch the metal CC logo. And the longer strap is about 12 inches or about 31 centimeters. I find this is a very comfortable length for me. It's a little shorter than just my regular double strap of Chanel Jumbo. So I find it for my height, which is 5'2", I find it very, very comfortable. So let me show you how I did it. And I'm gonna do it with my Chanel Jumbo single flap and just leave this one be. Okay, so I'm gonna, this, right? And this is going to be, the width of this is a little too wide to insert through it, and it's gonna have to be about 1 centimeter. So I'm gonna get my scissors and try to cut out right in the middle. So I'm gonna eyeball it just a little bit. I cut it like this. I just kind of eyeballed it. Let me make sure that it's gonna be, yeah, it's actually less than 1 centimeter. I'm gonna do it about here, and then I'm gonna see what it would be, like that. This is kind of approximate, okay? So like this. Okay, now I'm gonna put this down here so that you can see. And then what I'm gonna do is, one side is smooth, one side has the Velcro, it's a little rough. So I'm gonna put the smooth side inside here. Now, if I just did this, this is gonna slide around. This is gonna slide around. So in order to secure it, I'm actually going through one of these loops. So I am gonna go through here, like that. Again, the smoother portion is touching the leather. And then I'm gonna go through here. Let's see. Like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna go through here. Like this. And again, I am gonna try to have the smooth portion touch the leather section as much as possible. So that's why I'm going it through this way. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is the final product. So isn't this beautiful? I love the way it looks, and I also like the strap length, that shortening this strap like this makes it much more comfortable for me. I'm 5'2", and I always found that the double strap, even without changing it, this regular doubling up the strap felt a little too long for my height. So making it like this makes this strap shorter, and of course I love the versatility of having a handheld bag. Now that said, there's going to be a disclaimer. I don't use my jumbos very often, whether it's single or double flap. So the fact that I changed my strap like this, it works for me, but you know what works for you. So I'm just giving you how I did it, but it's up to you to decide whether this is right for you or not. I know that there's also a website called shophrh.co. The owner of the company also has a YouTube channel, Alex, and she has like the acrylic shorter strap that goes into your jumbo or maxi, and I think the acrylic is like 110 plus tax and shipping, I would imagine. I don't know what the shipping cost is. And the one with the chain and the leather strap is like 185 for the handheld strap. And for me, because I don't use my bags very often, that was a little too much money for me to spend on a bag that I occasionally use. So I decided to try this, and it worked out for me. So anyway, if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so that you would be notified every time I upload more videos, okay? I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.